This is a Fuji Heavy Industries LM1 Nico. It is a license-built T-34 Mentor, which I did a review on previously, with modifications that convert the design from a 2-seat trainer to a 4-seat light communications aircraft, as well as lengthening the fuselage like Gabe demonstrates here.
Lengthen. 2. Elongate.
Only 27 LM1s were built between 1955 and 56, making this an extremely rare and beautiful aircraft. LM1s were produced for the Japanese Air Self-Defense Force, and after their service life expired, many were sold to civilians. The LM1 is powered by a Continental O470 6-cylinder 225 horsepower engine.